Hello guys, it's me, Mommy Ivy of Team Cagz. Alright, today we're going to replace curtain rods and hang a new set of panel curtains to give a fresher look to our guest room. This coming holiday, a lot of our friends will be coming to visit us here in Niagara Falls. So we're trying to make our room more inviting and cozier to stay at. As continuation of our DIY home improvement projects, one of the upgrades you can do to your rooms is to change your curtains and curtain rods. Because as we all know, windows feel bare without curtains. Curtains create softness, privacy, and filter light. So, how do we do it? First, select and buy your curtain. For me, I selected a panel curtain with coastal blue stripe which match the theme of our room. And for the curtain rods, I just selected a plain round rod. So these are the items that we're going to install for our window. Okay, I will show you this rod set and this 2-panel curtain. So we're going to install it here in this window. As you can see, wala na siyang curtain because yesterday I already took it off. Kita nyo naman, hindi siya bagay sa motif ng room. First, we have to open up this box and check what are the tools and materials that we need. So what's included in this box? These are the rods that we need to connect. See that?
Whoa.
It comes with the hardware, as you can see. I have this item included here. And this is the manual. So, as you can see, it's very easy. So these are the tools and materials that we need to install the curtain rod. We need the Phillips screwdriver, cordless drill, the impact drill, self-label laser. As you can see, there's an existing hanger. Before we install this new curtain rod, we have to remove this hanger. So for safety purposes, to remove this screw, we need this impact drill. So, how do we install correctly the curtain rods? First, measure for the height of the rod using a measuring tape. Okay, so determine where the top of the curtain will be from where you want the curtain to end. Maybe below the sill or the floor. Number 2, mark where the brackets or hangers will go. Use a pencil to mark where the screws will go. But be careful not to get too close to the edge of the trim. For the next procedure, we're going to label. We have to put a mark kung saan natin ilalagay yung mga hangers. So we're going to use this self-leveling laser, corners of house na pwede ilagay yung ating leveling laser because it has magnet in it. So pwede mo siyang idikit dito. So, kita niyo yung magnet here. And you can define the height. So, yan. Pwede natin i-get. see that?
Higher and higher.
Higher and higher.
Higher and higher.
So, ayun yung height na gagamitin ko para level lahat ng hangers. Define na natin kung ano yung height na gusto natin. So, we're going to mark it with a marker or pencil. So, kuha ka ng sample ng isang hanger. Then, there you go, mark it. And follow mo yung other 3 holes. Right there. There you go. Perfect. Number 3. Add a mid brace if needed. For the curtain rod that I chose, this box already consists of 3 brackets. So I just put it in there. It's part of the rod. Number 4. Drill pilot holes to help start the screws. These can keep the screws from cracking the casing or wall materials. Since we're using screw anchors, make sure your pilot holes are big enough to place the screw anchors into. Now we're going to put the anchors. First, using the cordless drill. Number 5. Screw the brackets or hangers to the wall. Okay, there you go. Na-install ko na yung mga hangers. As you can see. Now we're going to put the rods. Number 6. Check for level. Fit the rod into the brackets and use a level to make sure that the rod is even. And lastly, number 7. Put the curtains on. Lalagyan na natin ngayon yung curtains dito sa rod. And then we're going to hang it now. There you go. Bantay na ba? Daddy?
No.
Can I move it to the left?
Yeah. A little bit. That's good enough.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's done. So guys, those are the 7 easy steps that you can follow to install your new curtain rods and curtains. So you don't need to bother your husband or your father or your brother or your brother-in-law to install your curtain rods and curtains. You can do it yourself. Okay? I hope you enjoyed and learned something from me. I hope you guys did like this video. Definitely hit the like button below. And if you want to follow along as we redo or make improvements in our house and you find our DIYs very helpful for you, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. Team Cagz will post 1 to 2 videos every week. So we will see you guys next week. Bye guys, and God bless everyone.